So because I like coffee so much and driving is also one of my favorite things to do, I just thought it would be a great idea to do kind of like a coffee tasting video. We're gonna go to different coffee shops and I'm gonna taste different iced coffees. I know I'm very zoomed in. That's my camera and I can't really do anything about it right now, so we're gonna have to work with that. It's so funny that every car that passes me by sees the camera and they're instantly like, what? What are you doing? Like, you're so weird. What are you what are you doing? This is literally the first time I film in my car with my camera, so bear with me. But little backstory on the coffee shops, because I live in Panama and honestly we have really good coffee here. So I want to go to different coffee shops and try new coffees that I haven't tried before, because I have tried quite a few coffee shops. But okay, let's talk about the first one that I'm going to. And this is not a like literal coffee shop, like only coffee shop. This is like a restaurant, I would say. And also most of these coffee shops are gonna have names in Spanish because here in Panama we speak Spanish, so that's another thing. But the first one is called Dos Cucharas. Basically, if we translate it, it's 2 spoons. Don't ask me why it's called that because I have no idea. Also, if you guys are not new here, I absolutely love going to coffee shops to like do homework or read. So this is just basically what I do a lot of the time. And why not do a video? Because I'm spending all of this money on coffee. Might as well do a YouTube video out of it. And all of these coffees that I'm gonna buy are gonna be iced coffees. I'm also gonna film this video throughout like 3 days because I cannot have like 3 coffees at a time. And I also have TMJ, and coffee makes my TMJ a lot worse. But I sometimes do it anyways. But whatever, we got here in like a mini street mall, I would say. And they have different restaurants. It's too funny when people see my camera because I'm using like my filming camera, which is not like a huge camera, but like it's visible. It's just really funny to see people's reactions. Okay, we're here. I'm gonna go get my coffee and I'll be back. We got the first coffee, and let me tell you my order, because this is literally my order for every single coffee shop I go to. So I get a vanilla iced coffee but with lactose-free milk, and I used to get it with almond milk, but honestly I like it much more without the like almond flavor. So now I get it just with like regular lactose-free milk. So first stop, Dos Cucharas, and I'm gonna give you guys a rating from 1 to 10. It's good, it's good. Okay, so one thing that I love, I did ask for a pump of vanilla flavor, but it's not like very strong, so it's not that sweet. There's some places that I ask for vanilla flavor and they literally give me like a coffee full of sugar, a lot of vanilla, which, don't get me wrong, like it's not bad, but sometimes I don't want a coffee that's literally that sweet. Number 2, I don't like coffee that's like very bitter, or like soury coffees where like the aftertaste is really like sour and acidy. That's just not for me. So I have like really particular coffees that I like, and this one did the job, so I'm really happy about that. The only small thing is that it's a little bit watery. I'm thinking it's because they make like the hot coffee and then pour the coffee into ice, so I'm guessing that's why this one is a bit watery. Okay, I'm giving the coffee an 8 just because it's a bit watery, but the flavor is really good. But it's still not like amazing. But if you would ask me if the coffee in Dos Cucharas is good, I would say yes. So I'm thinking that I am gonna chug this and I'm gonna order another coffee. I'm kind of just looking around to find a new place, which I do know several places that I could go to. Oh my god, I can't go this way. But there's one place that has the best coffee in Panama. Like, I kid you not, it's the best fucking coffee out there. Here. So I'm gonna leave that one for last. It's so insane how Panama is like literally so small. It's like a city, but it feels like a town, like a small town. I'm not kidding. But there's so many great restaurants, so many amazing coffee shops. It's incredible. Wait, I need to park. There's a car in front of me. Like parked in front of me, who is seeing me film this entire thing. Okay, thank God, they just left. So place number 2, background story. I need to check this, but place number 2 is Café Unido. This is like the most, I think this is one of the most popular places in Panama, like coffee shops. Their coffee is not my favorite at all. However, they do have really good matcha. But what I'm gonna do, because I already have the iced coffee here, I'm gonna order a different, let's go. Okay, it's been like 30 minutes, but I got a coffee number 2, and it's basically a dirty chai with lactose-free milk, but I have to say, it's pretty good. It's really sweet though, like it's really sweet. But it's pretty good. I decided on a dirty chai because I already had an iced coffee, and I know that their iced coffee is not my favorite, so I wanted to try something different to see if I would like it. So definitely the dirty chai is a good option. Like it's really good, but it's really sweet, so I'm guessing it has a lot of sugar in it. So coffee number 2 from Café Unido, I'm gonna give it an 8.5 because it's really good, but it's still not like amazing, if you know what I mean. So that's gonna be it for today, because if I have another coffee, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm like really jumpy right now, so wish me luck on that. And I have like really bad cramps right now. I'm on my period and I have really bad cramps right now. And coffee does not make it better for some reason. So I will see you tomorrow for coffee number 3. Hi besties! Okay, it's day 2 of me getting coffee, and I'm very excited because I didn't have coffee today. Okay, so let me go park somewhere because I need to talk to you guys. So I went to a new coffee place and I ordered like a crazy drink. I'm actually going to the mall, so I'm going to drive to the mall and I'm gonna park there and we're gonna taste the coffee. I love their logo as well. It's so pretty. So the coffee shop is called Paraíso Café. Let's get distracted because I really want to taste the coffee, but I'm driving and I want to tell you guys what I ordered. Okay, so I'm going to the mall because of 2 reasons. So the second coffee place, which is the last one for this video, is from Saquela, and that is my favorite coffee in the entire world in Panama. I just love that coffee so much. So that is gonna be the last coffee I'm gonna have today. And I'm also gonna go to the mall because I'm going to, I want to get some like basic pieces, little tops and blouses that I can use. So it's a little shopping day with a lot of coffee. I ran into a little problem and now I'm filming on my phone, so I hope it sounds good because I just literally forgot to bring extra batteries and my battery literally just died. I'm not going back home. The thing is that I can perfectly film with my phone. It's just I don't have a tripod, so I'm using my phone, remember. But let's try the coffee. I need to, as you can see, I need to mix this. I'm like looking for my phone and I have my phone filming. This is a double shot espresso with coconut milk and kind of like a touch of condensed milk. I mean, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like a very like creamy consistency. Obviously it has coconut milk and it has condensed milk. Did not know that. Should have read that, but honestly it's good. Like the coffee itself, it's really good. Like the actual taste of the coffee is really good, so that is great. And they have like a lot of options for like iced coffee. If you're looking for iced coffees with like very different flavors, this is gonna be the perfect place because I literally like hadn't heard anybody talk about this place. And yeah, if you live in Panama and if you want like really good iced coffees and you like sweet coffees, this is gonna be the place. Like honestly, I'm gonna rate this one. What I'm gonna rate this one? This is gonna be like an 8.5. I'm gonna have to give this one an 8.5. So let's go to the mall. I'm gonna get some things. I'm very excited. Okay, I'm back and it's actually been a little while. So let's do a recap because I didn't end up getting the coffee right after when I was at the mall, because literally that other coffee, like the third coffee that I had so much sugar in it that I just cannot have another coffee. I just could not do it. So it's 3 p.m. now and I went to another mall with the same restaurant that has my favorite coffee. So basically coffee number 4 is here. And I've literally walked the entire mall to my car waiting to stir this up. Fourth coffee is from Sakela. It's literally the best coffee in Panama, in my opinion, for years. Like, it has been my favorite coffee and my mom's favorite coffee. Like literally, my mom and I are the same way that Rory and Lorelai are in the Gilmore Girls with Luke's Coffee with this place. Like, we are them with Sakela. I'm really excited. Let's stir this baby up. That's just beautiful. I know I don't have to do like a taste test for this, but I don't even have to do a taste test because I just know that it's gonna be amazing. Yep. Best coffee. Hands down. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, how do I explain this? This is like the actual flavor of the coffee. It's just like the perfect amount of flavor. I got an iced latte, but with lactose-free milk. I almost always get that if I don't get like a crazy thing like I did with the last coffee. I got my usual order, which is the iced coffee with lactose-free milk and vanilla. If you live in Panama and you haven't had coffee from Sakela, please, what are you doing? This is definitely the perfect way to end this video. Like, I'm so happy right now. I have my coffee, my favorite coffee. I'm already hyper, as you can already tell, maybe, or maybe not, but I am. But that is basically the video for today, you guys. Let me know if you liked it. I can definitely do many parts of this video, of this exact same video, because there are so many coffee places in Panama. That is it. I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you want another part. And if you don't, I'm gonna do it either way, so yeah. But yeah, subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!